gentlemen. Got ourselves here a Fat Boy 2-pill. Started out as 2290s, and as you saw in the picture before this segment, the 2290s were changed out for 2879s. So we got the amp came in. I want to make it a 1x2. Retune it, yes kitty, and so, which brings us to this. Nice clean board. Inside of this was all cleaned out. All that was cleaned out. Cleaned the board down. Stripped the board down to bare copper. And bring some light in here. Yeah. Stripped the board down to bare copper. We added this driver stage. Added this. The big Dave made style transformers. We kept the preamp in here. We removed everything in this box. Everything. The coax connectors, the pot, everything. So we got it all nice and working flawlessly. So let me I'll show you the lid later. So we are off. We're going to be at 15.5 volts. Okay. Bench 2950. The whole whopping 22 watts. 1000 watt slug. Well, start from the beginning, I guess. 5 watt slug in between the bird. 2950 in amplifier. 1000 watt slug in average. 1000 watt slug in peak. Okay. Alright. Pass through 2. Hello. Oh. Let's show 1 watt dead key. So 1 watt. That's what we're going to be putting into this, okay? Pass through 2. On. With the amplifier off, okay. And right now we're gonna show you radio drop. Here you go. Here's what 22 watts looks like. Hello, audio. 20 watts. 22 watts. That's all we're gonna put into this. Okay. Input 2. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio. Nice and flat. Average power, 1000 watt, bottom scale. Hello, audio 1 2. Not 250. 250 watts average. Pretty hot. Pretty cool. And check this out. Hello, audio. About 625-ish. Hello, audio. So, check that pass through. That input tune again. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Audio. Nice flat. Average power once again. Hello, audio. Right. Peak power. Hello, audio. Over 600 watts peak. This thing is a screamer, gents. Let's put this fan on real quick. Pop one screw into this thing. Show you the fan operation. Pop the screw in. So this build was actually very satisfying. I was very happy with it. The way it turned out. As I should be happy with everything that comes out of here. But look at this. fan is operable. Perfect. Alright. Let's turn the volume up. Got the preamp. Preamp works. So there we go, guys. This thing is all done. It's cleaned up, ready to roll. Some of this scratching, scuffing, it just will not come out. Also don't want to mess the painted on letters down here. But yep, good to go. Good old ears. So, thanks guys. Tuning in. On to the next. We'll see ya. Bye bye bye. Alright, one more quick segment. Customer called me back, said that, hey man, go ahead and buy us that thing too, would you? Okay, sounds good, buddy. So we got the bias in there. Get switch. Okay. I'm gonna throw a label on there. Okay, so up is sideband, down is AM. Okay. So I'll just put a switch right there. It's preamp. Alright, we're gonna go down for AM. Alright. And still on the 2950 input tune. Audio. Nice and flat. Average power. 1000 watt. Audio. Yes. 280, 290 watts. Average. Peak power. Watch this. Hello. 700 watts. 700 watts. It's 2 transistors. Well, 3 transistors, 700 watts. Do it again. Hello. Yeah. And that's, again, 22 watts. I'm telling you. 50 watt. We went ahead and turned the amp off. Hello. 50 watts slug middle scale. Hello. 20 whole watts. 20 whole watts. 700 watts out. Alright. For real this time. We'll see you guys.